Why is your iPhone home screen black and white? So let's get started. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and explanations like this one. Essentially, there are more reasons why it might be the case, especially in the later versions of iOS. Because, for example, if you hold it down on the home screen and go to the edit mode, and you can customize the way that your phone looks. And what you can do is to switch to the clear style of the icon, which removes the color from all of the different things, right? From all of the apps which you have on your home screen, so no color is really visible, and you can switch to even the dark mode, right? So this makes every single thing look black and white. So you basically want to switch to the default mode where it kind of removes the black and white overlay and it returns it back to the regular colored, right? So that is something which you might be referring to. Outside of that, we also have the ability to set up the color filters. So if you find your settings and then accessibility, you can see the display and a text size, and part of the color filters, we have what's called grayscale. And if you have that enabled, what you would notice is that every single thing is black and white, but that is, made with this accessibility setting. So if you don't like it, just stop the filters being in place and it should definitely fix the issue for you. And as well, you might be referring to the wallpaper, because in the newer iOS versions, you can set up what's called wallpaper pairs. So you have one wallpaper on the lock screen and another on the home screen, and you kind of have to set it up in pairs. And it is possible that, when the lock screen is full of colors, the one on the home screen doesn't have any color to show you. So that might be also something which you need to tweak and set up according to your preference. But that is all from me. I really hope that I can explain and help you out with that. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future as well.